Hi there. Oh, I'm glad I caught that. Stay with me so you can catch it too. Hi, I'm Anne. I have a feeling that this thing right here is going to be your newest favorite gadget. So let me unbox it here. Hmm, I like it. Do you like keeping your things neat and organized? Well, I think I have something super handy for you. It's a mini pocket label printer. This device is a game changer. Inside the box, we have the tiny label printer itself, a USB-C cable for charging, a quick user guide, and guess what? Not one, but three rolls of label paper are included. That means no extra shopping needed. Pretty awesome, right? Look how compact it is. This can fit right into your bag, so you can label on the go, whether at home, work, or even on vacation. Before we dive in, let's talk about setup. First, charge your printer. Now, while that's happening, grab your phone and download the Funny Print app. It's free and packed with tons of templates and designs. So, whether it's for home organization, school projects, or DIY crafts, it looks like you're covered. The app is super intuitive. It has templates for labels, banners, and has these fun little stickers. Now, if you're feeling creative, you can customize everything: fonts, icons, patterns, you name it. So let's get this baby up and running. You load the paper like this. Make sure it sticks just a bit so the printer can grab it. Next, turn on the Bluetooth and connect it through the app. And voila, we are ready to print. That was so easy, right? It's so crisp and clear, right? Let's try out a couple of real-life examples, shall we? Okay, here's a practical one. Let's label these spice jars. So let's try labeling this cinnamon over here. There, I customized this cute little label for cinnamon. And it looks perfect, doesn't it? Now this time, let's get academic. How about labeling my books or notebooks? Done and done. This makes schoolwork so much fun, right? So, whether you're organizing your pantry, jazzing up your journal, or helping the kids with their projects, this printer is a lifesaver. If you want to get one for yourself, check the links in the description box below. Oh, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you!
You need a G&G Penguin cartridge.